Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Ironhead here, Dad's Garage HD, 2006 R1 50th anniversary. Man, this is a great bike that Yamaha put out back in 06. I believe this generation is 04 to 06. Man, if you're gonna ride this, this is like a rocket. So you better hang on. Got the badging. Nice bike. Sounds really good. Picked it up past couple of days. Got a little bit of a tune on it. Power Commander from Dynajet. Dual Two Brothers exhaust. Pretty nice bike here. The yellow is a nice touch if you ask me. Hope to have it road ready and get out and enjoy it here pretty soon. Thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel.